Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to enable or disable the power saving mode on your Galaxy Z Flip 5. This feature is incredibly useful for those times when you need to conserve battery life. Let's get started. First, launch the Settings app by tapping on the gear icon from the Home or Apps screen. Once you're in the Settings menu, tap on Battery. Next, tap Power Saving. Here, you can make necessary adjustments to the power saving options and then turn the power saving switch from off to on. When enabled, power saving mode will be activated, limiting apps and other system features to save battery life. To disable power saving mode, simply toggle the on switch to the off position. The phone will then switch back to normal power mode. Alternatively, you can turn power saving mode on or off straight from the quick settings or notification panel. Simply launch the panel and then tap on the power saving icon to turn the feature on or off. And that's it. That's how you enable or disable power saving mode on your Galaxy Z Flip 5. Remember, managing your battery life effectively can extend the lifespan of your device and keep it running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and troubleshooting guides.